This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marlene Williamson. Whoa! Hold your horses. Check out this lovely family home nestled among the rolling hills of some of Ocala's most beautiful horse farms. Located less than 2 miles to the World Equestrian Center, WEC, it's a quick trip to see all that is WEC. A large porch overlooks this 1-acre, completely fenced property that is beautifully shaded with large established trees, crepe myrtles and lorepetalums. Sit on the swing and enjoy the peaceful neighborhood. Very spacious kitchen has ample cabinetry and counter space, including a breakfast bar. Kitchen looks into the living room, which has a wood-burning fireplace that is plumbed so you can convert it to gas. Master bedroom is spacious with a huge walk-in closet and French doors leading to the peaceful screened back porch. Cultured marble makes up tub, shower and countertops in both bathrooms. Water filtration system installed 2022. 2-car attached garage with an additional 1-car detached garage/workshop. Detached garage has power and water, and basically a half bath. Check out the virtual tour and talk a walk through the house. For more information, review the details below or contact Marlene Williamson at 352-812-9319.